In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp Web. If you're looking to enhance your privacy on WhatsApp, or simply want to ensure that your conversations aren't lingering around forever, enabling disappearing messages is a great way to manage that. This feature allows your messages in a specific chat to automatically delete after some time, helping keep your conversations more secure and private. First, you'll want to open WhatsApp Web by navigating to web.whatsapp.com on your preferred web browser. Ensure that your device is connected and successfully linked with your mobile phone. Once you're there, simply look at your chat list on the left-hand side of the screen. Now find and click on the chat where you'd like to enable disappearing messages. This can be with an individual contact or a group chat. The process is the same for both. Once inside the chat, direct your attention to the top of the conversation. You'll see the contact's name or, if it's a group chat, the group name displayed prominently. Go ahead and click on this name. Doing so opens the chat information window, which is where you can access various settings specific to this conversation. This step makes it easier for you to tailor your messaging experience according to your preferences. Next, you'll want to scroll down through the list of options in the chat info window. Search for an option labeled Disappearing Messages. This particular setting controls the automatic deletion of messages within the chosen chat. Once you find it, click on Disappearing Messages. Now, you'll be presented with some choices regarding the time duration for which you want the messages to remain visible before they automatically disappear. WhatsApp offers several options such as 24 hours, 7 days, or even 90 days. Select the duration that best fits your needs by clicking on your preferred option. The selected duration will automatically apply to all future messages in that conversation. Remember, this change won't delete any current messages. It only applies to new messages after the feature is enabled. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up disappearing messages for this particular chat on WhatsApp Web. This is a fantastic way to keep both personal and group chats clean and private, ensuring no old messages take up unwanted space or cause privacy concerns later. Keep in mind that the person or people you're chatting with will also be able to see that disappearing messages are enabled, adding an extra layer of transparency to your conversation. And there you have it. Customize